Welcome friends to the YouTube channel Techn. Today I am going to telling about how to install NGINX Apache service in CentOS 7. So let's start the video. Firstly, I created a batch file to log in to the CentOS 7 directly by entering to the file. So I'm entering to the batch file, then I'm directly login. If you want to know how to create batch file, you can see my previous video. Now I'm going to run the first command to install dependency of NGINX by typing sudo yum install appel release. It download all the dependency related to the NGINX Apache service. The next one command is used to install NGINX. The type yum install NGINX. If you type yum install NGINX space -y, then you don't need to type y during installation. After that, start the NGINX service. You can also enable the NGINX service. If you enable this service, then when system reboot, then this service is automatically restart. And type in small letter, not in capital. After that, enable the firewall service port number 80 by typing the next command, firewall-cmd space hyphen permanent space hyphen zone equal to public space hyphen add service equal to http. This will help to enable the port number 80. Go to notepad and copy this command and paste into the putty. After running this command, it will show about that this service is automatically enable. I'm already run this command. I'm again running this command. After that, I am enable the 443 port number by copying the second command. After reload the service of this will help you to save this service. Then go to browser and type the IP of the CentOS 7 and it will show about the default page of NGINX. This is also called test page. It will show that your NGINX service is successfully installed.